Welcome to a tutorial on how to take a neon cyberpunk style woman or a model, any type of person, and turn them into a Matrix style glitch effect, like an old VHS or something. So let's get started. Come up to Image, Adjustments, and then select Desaturate. Then duplicate your layer. You can right click and select duplicate layer, and then select it, select layer style, and remove the R from the RGB color. With the layer selected, all you need to do is hold down Control, Shift, and move the arrow either left or right. Then with your marquee select tool, start to draw rectangles, long ones, for a section of the screen. And then do that many times across different sides of the screen or different positions that you think looks good. Doing the image shift and then using the rectangles is the backbone of the technique that we're doing. So once you're happy with that, let's make a new layer and paint bucket it white. Then convert it to a smart object and go to your filter galleries. Inside, select sketch and halftone pattern. Select line as the pattern type and then choose size and contrast and change them to suit. Now with the layer blend, choose overlay. As you can see, when I select the fill, you can choose how prominent the lines appear in the background. Now I'm going to write my text and I'm going to choose the font Mont, and you can find that on Font Space. Once you've positioned the font layer, you'll have to rasterize it and then duplicate the layer. In the first channel, remove the green and blue, and then in your new duplicated layer, remove the red. Then hold down Shift Control and move the arrow to nudge the layer. Now use the same technique as you did at the start with the rectangles to create the glitch effect. Then if you want, come into Layer Style and choose to make a glow. So there we have it. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Remember and like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.